Hi guys, doing today. My name's Andy. Just started doing 3D printing back in December. We're actually working on some bowling ball cleaner cups right now. You can look over here, right here. I did some little chameleons earlier last night, just to do, just mess around. Few things I've done, little bunnies, crown. Like I said, I've done a bunch of different color ball cups. Hang on a minute. Did a Deadpool mask. Didn't turn out too bad. Like I said, I just started back in December. A lot of stuff right here I've done. A lot of my supplies. Yep. Like I said, I'm just now getting into it, learning. My main thing is I'm like to learn how to design stuff for my own. Instead of taking people's designs and making them mine. I like to design my own stuff. If anybody out there will give me some hints to how to do it, I would appreciate it. Well, I'm going to get off here for today. I will be back probably tomorrow to make another video. Have a great day.